MK2 Plus PCB repair. Before we begin any repairs, please check to make sure that the power switch is turned off and that the cable and remote cable is unplugged. The tools we will use for the repair are as follows: a flathead screwdriver, long Phillips screwdriver, short Phillips screwdriver, and replacement PCB. The wire cutter and pliers are optional, but they make the repairs more convenient if so desired. First off, locate the back of the chair and bottom panel that houses the PCB. We need to remove the bottom panel first. Locate the 4 screws pointed out and, using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws. Then, move the remote cable off to the side. Then remove the bottom portion of the cloth. The cloth is velcroed to the panel so it can easily be pulled back and reattached later. Now the bottom panel should be removable. In order to prevent the cloth from getting in your way, use some masking tape to stick it to the back of the massage chair. Before we begin, the places circled on the PCB are the areas in which we will be plugging and unplugging in electrical components. Then follow the video to replace the PCB. The screws in the back won't allow for the long screwdriver to remove the screw, so the short screwdriver is needed. Then everything else should be replaceable. Just plug everything back into their respective sockets and then replace the rest in order to finish the job.